Welcome back to another Mog's Vlogs. Here again, preparing my black chair. So, I've got the second coat of paint on to the chair itself, the framework, and now what I'm going to do, get it together, assemble it, and then we're going to have a sit down. So, check out this time lapse. Well, here we are. The chair is all done. It's not too bad, a little bit of work, and putting it back together, all I used was the impact driver and the staple gun. So it's a really easy job to do, limited tools so you don't have to go and spend loads of money, and it's worked out really nice and I'm really happy with it. It is a bit unusual, but it's really comfy, so I can't really complain. If you fancy it, let me know what you think of it. I'm definitely going to be using it more now that it looks a little bit more up to date. Anyway, I'll speak to you again soon. Over and out.